Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 High Country. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. The front parking sensors are going to keep you nice and safe. Then of course you have the chrome grille, but what makes the chrome grille stand out even a little bit more is the black emblem. Sets it apart from the grille. You have chrome wheels, as you would expect to see on the High Country. These, of course, are 20-inch chrome wheels, and they are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. You have the High Country stitched here into the headstocks. Definitely adds a nice sharp feel. No rips or stains on any of the seats. They're all in great condition all the way throughout. Up top, you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed now. GM bed liner is going to keep that bed nice and safe. And then you have the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Down here you have 3 USB ports and a regular plug, so you can charge any of your devices. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this High Country on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that's provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.